How to set up quick replies on WhatsApp Business. Now, quick replies allow you to create a keyboard shortcut for message you frequently send to customer, including media like images and videos. You can set up or store up to 50 quick replies on WhatsApp Business. What you need is launch open WhatsApp Business on your device, go to the chat page. Here, tap the three dot at the very top right, go to settings from the list. There, you just want to make sure to go ahead and look for business tools. Now this has been a little update, so you want to go to the tools at the very bottom right, and there you just want to make sure to go ahead and look for organize your chats. Underneath you have these quick replies. Select that out. You have to use slash with your keyboard to select quick replies. So tap on the plus button, select the shortcut. So you have to use slash as you mentioned, right? Slash. You could go ahead and add in any sort of shortcut as well, or you could, this is actually a shortcut, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add in this. And as per the reply message, you have to do the same thing, slash hi, whatever you like to do it, and select save. So now this way you will be able to set up a quick replies in a WhatsApp Business. So that's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.